pastillas niya.
How about this one?
Yes, how about?
I arrange you.
You arrange me?
Yes guys, we're here at the campaign.
Knock knock. Ya imoon. Imoon. Tapos gatanugan. Gapulihan. O gaipadaghan. Naka-answer, ma'am? What's up, YouTube? We're here at the car of the Joe Romantico's car. And if you're wondering, in case you're wondering, it's an English vlog.
English only.
In case you're wondering, it's an English only Valentines vlog. Yeah! But going back from the topic, we are in his car because we're running. No, what I mean is we're going to Xavier Heights once again to Johniel's Bakeshoppe. Because of your support from our previous vlog, the Ube Cheese Pandesal with the KUTAW pan answer, like Japan was the answer. And because of your support, we're gonna do something like it again. This time, it is, I don't know what they call it, but later on, we will taste and savor the goodness of their new product.
Yes. I'm driving, that's why I can't talk more. I will talk less.
We'll be going there. Ready go?
Ready
go!
Yay!
Hey, we're here. Oh, Joe! Oh, Joe Kaluguran! Oh, you're here. Why are you here?
I'm testing.
I was just
testing or tasting?
tasting. And we're here. Hi, ma'am, sir. You, si Sir Johniel, and you introduce your mother-in-law.
This is my mother-in-law, Nieves Estrella.
Mommy Nieves.
Oh, Mami Nieves.
And these are the Baker Boys. This is Butoy, but what's this? Boy Sugba! And this is the 3 products that is available right now. Ube Cheese Pandesal. This is the Ube Pastillas Cheese Pandesal. And this is the Pastillas Pandesal.
If you are
What?
single, they will call you as Pastillas because you don't have a date for Valentine's Day.
Why is Pastillas?
Yeah, they say Mr. Pastil.
Yeah.
Pastil.
This is the Choco Balls. Right?
Choco Balls.
This is the Valentine's Choco Balls you can give to your families and friends.
Not
and
only
your
for
partner.
Valentine's.
Not only for Valentine's. So
Pastillas niya.
Susi lagi ba?
Nada sa linane nga mga bungkag na sa gatong diet ani ba?
sige.
proper ng katanan.
Kulit babae niyo. Wenzkytchen and Johniel's Bakeshoppe is just the same. And any cakes and pastries that you want, you can come here also. Not only these products. And because it's English, I'm panning out already. And no speed in a while. So I need to stop this. This is madness. Question! Natay ko ta question. Si Sir Johniel o si Ma'am wala nakakutaw question. Ato ning ikutan sa ila.
Ito na ang KUTAW Questions!
KUTAW question is, gahimuon, gatanugan, gapulihan, gaipadaghan. Unsa man?
Gali padagan, saging, tanugan mga.
Wrong!
Himoon man na iba, himoon.
Wrong!
Ang saging gani.
Sa ka nag-apil-apil ko na question. Tabangin taon ma'am kay Juan, grabe bini nga Bisaya oh.
Sal, unsa man sal?
Butoy. Butoy. Boysog ba? Boysog ba unsa imo? Gahimuon, gatanugan, gapulihan, gaipadaghan. Unsa man?
Ako lawas di pados kamera.
Sa to ma'am?
Tinapay daw.
Your answer is wrong.
Ano gito?
Okay na mama. Try lang, isa lang kakuan, basta hindi correct. Itlog is wrong. Bisog ba? Kalas kay dagpir na. Ikaw?
Harina.
Harina! Yes! Wrong! Gatanugan ang harina, gatanugan.
Tanugan.
Oh.
Kanya, sa to?
Gapulihan.
Gapulihan.
Gahimuon, gatanugan, gapulihan, gaipadaghan.
Ipadagan. Utan. Ay, no. Plants.
Wrong! Nag-expect. Wala gyud. Surrender na? Ready? One.
Ano pa yung sa likod ah?
Oh, ready? Nana?
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Video! There you go, ladies and gents. All you subscribers out there, like we're so happy because we have a lot of experiences and a lot of pandesal to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just one word.
Yeah.
So I'd like to invite everyone to also, if you have tried the Ube Cheese Pandesal of Johniel's and Wenzkytchen, you also need to try the Pastillas Pandesal.
And of course, the Ube Cheese Pastillas Pandesal. You want to taste all the flavors. Grab the
What is this?
the cheese desal is here, pastillas is here, and the Ube cheese desal pastillas is also here. So this is for only 200 pesos.
200 pesos only?
Yeah, baby.
Oh my goodness. So all you have to do is go to the Facebook page of Johniel's Bakeshoppe. You can book there, and so that everything will be alright.
Everything's gonna be. That's a sing, man.
And that's a sing. That's a music. That's a music. Down below, there's a number.
Yeah.
Dial it, okay? And
Oh, look at them, oh, the girls are selling balloons.
they're over there.
Yeah.
There's over there. Oh, look at that. So we're here at Cathedral, and it's nick of time. In the nick of time, we're just here. We're here. Oh, it's really. You go there. You go there. You go there. You go there. So we're about to do a once in a lifetime jump shot.
Here. Ready? 2, 1. Let's do the jump shot, man. The Valentines jump shot. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
So our mission of Joe Romantico right now, we're looking for flowers and maybe a balloon.
Oh my God! Can you see that? It's a rainbow, man.
A choco rainbow.
Diba?
Oh yeah, it's a rainbow.
Rainbow. Where?
You know, rainbows is a reflection of the water because there's a sun there and there's a reflection for us. That's how rainbows form.
Okay, whatever.
Oh, there's what is happening? There are lots of customers right now. Justin Timberlake. First Maria. How many flowers are you gonna buy?
English only.
Discount ko dire.
What?
I have discount here.
Where?
Flower shop.
Okay. How much discount? There's a lot of people here. And you know what? It's like okay of flowers right now. How much is this? This is 1,000? Is there a 500 here? Oh my God. There's a lot of people. This is 500? That's not. For my mom. We're looking for the best gift for Joe's wife. And of course, for my mom. It's like it's crowded, but I think it's gonna be crowded in a while, more crowded in a while.
Ilan eh?
You see something?
No, man. Okay, bye.
How much? 450.
How much do you want?
I like 500, but very beautiful.
Very beautiful. It's mainly yellow.
I want it to be beautiful.
I arrange you.
How many is for the
500.
1 dozen of rose? 500?
Oh, 500. 1 dozen of rose.
But can you kapin the yellow? Kapin.
Of course.
How about this one, sir?
Huh?
How about this one?
Yes, how about?
I arrange you.
You arrange me? What?
You're one of the DJ of MOR.
Yes, there's Joe Romantico over there.
Ah.
Can you arrange me? What is English vlog?
Ay, okay, sorry. Sige na, bukay malayo.
I also love this violet. How much is that?
That's very nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
I'll give it to you 500.
500 only? You give it to me?
It's 600.
You give it to me, baby? Oh, it's yes. Don't like that. I will buy. Don't worry.
No, sir, because it's true.
My nose is
Tul.
long. It's long.
If you don't mind, I just want to ask if how many subscribers you have?
Only 5,000. You go to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, type Master Popi.
Master Popi, okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
I will subscribe your channel.
Channel. You too?
Yes.
Look at Joe Romantico is here. Look at the white eyes. Yeah, no, the white eyes.
Ako na, bulang namin sa kusawa, kaya lisod yung mangita.
This is for my mom.
Ay, mali, ma'am.
Oh, it's just simple, but it's good. Joe Romantico is having a very difficult time processing. Look at my bulak. It's 40 gulang. Bagay for my mom. Senior citizen. My mom is a senior citizen. So, you know what? Let's do this. Na makakasama kanhan. Ha? So we're going to Johniel and family. Like, my mom's there, and my brother is like in the nick of time. We're gonna move it all around. Gingan guli guli wakshak. We're gonna surprise my mom. It's gonna be the first time that I'm gonna give a flower, and it's like, I don't know if it's gonna blow her mind. Oh my god. But it's gonna be exciting, guys. Watch out for it, guys. Let's go. Yes, guys, we're here at Bakeshoppe. So it's the dust, but knock knock. It's my mom. Meet my mom, Carmen. The viral video with the dirt bag. This is her. There is no acting there because she always talk to me like that. Okay, Valentine.
Thank you, Bob.
I love you, mama, for everything.
I love you, anak.
This is for the for the heart.
Ako 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yo, no.
Ang sira na to. Yes. Sira na to. Yes. Okay. Ano to Gahimoon. Himoon. Tapos gatanugan. Gapulihan. O gaipadaghan. The correct answer is kwarta! Diba? Gahimuon. Gatanugan meaning ginasave. Gapulihan, sukli, ginasukli. Gaipadaghan. O diba? Negosyo income. Diba? Okay na, sir? Okay, alright. There you go, mga migs. Thank you for following my day. This is my first ever English vlog. Shout out to all my subscribers, Lani and Liza. Thank you to Joe Romantico and to his family, Johniel. Great job. Thank you also to my brother and my mom. And happy Valentine's Day to everyone. You don't need to have a partner to enjoy Valentine's Day. That's my message for you. On the top of your mind, just comment everything there. I am willing to read that, all of it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Until next time, this is Master Popi, ang lalaki mapapa-aha-aha ka talaga, ang master ng bayan, ang lalaking taas tanang tumoy, signing off. Bye-bye!